morning, sir.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
sir, today can we talk about some topics which is coming according in diabetes. So, the first question is why diabetes is considered as a serious disease.
Diabetes itself is not a disease. Diabetes is just a disorder of the sugar. But when the diabetes is not under control, then the problem starts. So, diabetes per se is not a disease. Why diabetes is serious is because it can lead to complications like heart disease, eye disease, kidney disease, liver disease, stroke, and peripheral neuropathy. Why it all becomes a serious complication is because diabetes is not under control. So, to all my folks and patients, when diabetes is under control, I don't think so. Diabetes is a serious problem. As I told you, diabetes is just a blood sugar disorder. It's not a disease. When it is not under control, definitely it leads to complication and serious problems.
Can you give me 7 tips to handle diabetes?
It is not called 7 tips or 8 tips or 5 tips. I always tell there are some important factors or tips or the health advice I give to my patients. One is a patient should have a disciplined diet control. Patient should have regular physical activity of 45 minutes to 1 hour. Patient should have regular blood checkups once in 3 to 4 months and meet his or own physicians. Always adhere to the correct medications prescribed by your physician. And another very important point is patients always tell, I will control my food, diabetes will be under control. The most commonest problem that most of I feel with the patients is patients are very tensed up. So being calm and relaxed or de-stressing itself takes away that stress of you and blood sugar gets under control. Having adequate sleep, this most of the time patients all neglect this. Having 6 to 8 hours of relaxed sleep will solve all of your problem. It's something like charging your batteries and discharging it. So you need to stress yourself and de-stressing yourself by exercise, being calm, playing with light music, meditation, yoga. These are all called stress-free exercises. Having adequate sleep is very important. And very important point for all my diabetics is recognition of symptoms of complications. Most of the time, if patient recognizes the symptom, that itself is a really good thing, that it draws the patient to the doctor. That itself will prevent complications. So these are all my very important tips to the diabetic patients. If they follow this, most of the diabetic patients can have a good quality of life for their whole lifespan without complications.
How ignoring diabetes can lead to other complications?
First and foremost, diabetes cannot be ignored at all. I always tell my patients that diabetes needs to be controlled, diabetes needs to be managed, diabetes needs to manage with both blood sugar and complications. So, ignoring diabetes or not controlling the diabetes or not controlling the blood sugars can lead to what is called as a short-term complications like pus around the shoulders, pus around, like females can have a lot of urinary infection, females can have a lot of white discharge, then wound will not heal or skin infections can occur. These are called as short-term complications. When the diabetes is not controlled for almost 5 years or 6 years, 7 years, most of the time we see long-term complications like heart disease, diabetes eye disease. You can have what is called as diabetes peripheral neuropathy, diabetes kidney disease, and diabetes all can lead to stroke. These are all called as long-term complications of diabetes.
Okay, so coming to the next question, why people don't consider it as serious?
First and foremost, most of the patients in diabetics think that diabetes is not so serious because the complications of the symptoms will not arise. So body starts to compensate with high sugars. So the complications at a later part of the disease will happen. So when diabetes in the first 5 years, most of the time it is not so serious because the body starts to compensate with what is the high sugars. But when the body is not able to compensate, then only complication starts. And most of the time patients neglect the symptoms of complications. That's why most of the people think that diabetes is not a serious disease.